Welcome to this lesson on surface area of spheres. A sphere is a 3D figure that is perfectly round and every point is equidistant, or the same distance, from the center point. Now, if you open up a sphere, it's different than the other three-dimensional shapes. It doesn't have any type of base, it's just round all the way around. And this is what the net of a sphere looks like, which is really weird. And of course, we don't know how to find the area of that particular type of three-dimensional shape. So for a sphere, it's going to be easier to just use the formula. And the formula is luckily really easy for a sphere. It's 4 pi r squared. And the formula actually has the area of a circle formula inside. Remember, area of a circle is pi r squared. So it's just 4 times pi r squared. All right, so 4 pi 3 squared for this one. So 4 pi times 9, or 36 pi feet squared. That will be the exact version. If you want the rounded version, 113.1 feet squared. There's some really cool YouTube videos about why this is the formula and how it relates to the net. If you just go on YouTube and search formula for surface area of a sphere, you'll find some cool stuff. Okay, so let's go over these examples. So find the surface area of the sphere. So 4 pi r squared, 4 pi 8 squared. So 8 squared, that's 64, times 4, that's 256 pi meters squared, or about 804.2 meters squared. Number 2, the diameter of a sphere is 18 feet. Find the surface area. So if the diameter is 18, that means that the radius would be half of that, 9. So 4 pi 9 squared. That would be 324 pi feet squared, or 1017.9 feet squared. All right, the surface area of a gumball is 3.14 inches squared. What is the radius? So this one we're working backwards. We know the answer. The surface area is 3.14. We want to work backwards and find that radius. So I'm going to set it equal to the formula for surface area. So first I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. So 0.785. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we don't need to write that anymore. And then I'm going to divide by pi on both sides. So that's 0.25. Pi divided by pi is 1. And then I'll take the square root. The square root of 0.25 is 0.5 inches. That's my radius. And it's not inches squared, it's inches because a radius is just a length. All right, and then the last one, Jill got her son a basketball for Christmas. The diameter of the basketball is 24 inches. How much wrapping paper will she need to wrap the basketball? All right, so that means the radius is 12. So 4 pi 12 squared. So that would be 144 times 4. That's 576 pi inches squared. Or since this is a real life problem, we probably want the rounded answer. 1809.6 square inches of paper at least to cover that basketball. All right, you can stop the notes and go ahead and work on the practice.